This channel skyrocketed from 16,000 subscribers to 238,000 in less than a month using the exact videos I'm about to teach you in this video. Plus, an Instagram page gathered 43,000 followers with just 19 videos in a single month. If this doesn't convince you that these videos are trending right now, I don't know what will. This video will show you how to create engaging would you rather shorts using AI tools and potentially earn up to $200 a day. Best of all the tools we're using are completely free. We'll leverage ChatGPT to generate captivating would you rather questions, use 11 Labs for natural sounding voiceovers, Pepper AI and Discord to add creative flair, Canva for designing the video backgrounds, channel logo and thumbnails, and CapCut for seamless editing. Stay tuned because you're about to learn a game-changing method to boost your social media presence and start earning real money. Now, we're using ChatGPT to create interesting would you rather questions with a summer theme. Our goal here is to craft a series of thought-provoking questions that present two contrasting options in a clear and engaging format. These questions are designed to spark viewer interaction and keep them hooked throughout the video. Let's dive into the prompt. Generate a table containing 20 unique questions, each showcasing two options with their respective likelihood percentages. We're adding a seasonal twist with our summer edition theme to make these questions resonate even more with our audience. Now, let's expand our repertoire with ChatGPT by creating 50 additional would you rather questions in the same engaging style. Each question should present two distinct options, maintaining the summer theme we established earlier. Our aim is to generate fresh, captivating content without duplicating any previous questions. ChatGPT will continue to assist us in crafting questions that prompt viewer engagement and drive interaction. Now we'll utilize 11 Labs to transform our text into speech for our Would You Rather shorts. First, create an account on 11 Labs and navigate to the speech section. Input the OR prompt in uppercase letters utilizing Adam's voice profile, as we'll be editing this in CapCut later. Paste option A into 11 Labs and select Adam's voice profile. Generate the speech. Now, let's go back to ChatGPT and generate option B. Copy option B and paste it into 11 Labs, again selecting Adam's voice profile. Generate the speech. Repeat this process for each question to ensure both options, A and B, are converted into spoken prompts using AI-generated speech. This step will convert our text-based questions into spoken prompts, adding an auditory element to our Would You Rather shorts. Now, we will transform our text-based questions into visuals using Pepper AI, adding a visual dimension to our Would You Rather shorts. Join the Pepper AI Discord server. Find the link in the description below. If you haven't already, download Discord to get started. It's quick and easy. Inside the server, you'll discover 3 Generate channels: Generate 1, Generate 2, and Generate 3. For this process, we'll be using Generate 2. Let's begin with option A. Generate an image of ice cream against a light purple background, ideal for easy removal, green screen effect in our videos. You can also select alternative colors such as blue or orange, focusing on ease of background removal. Now, for option B, generate another image featuring a simpler version of ice cream, maintaining the light purple background. Adjust the aspect ratio as needed for your project. Keep in mind, Pepper AI provides unlimited generations for free, unlike platforms that may charge for additional credits. Save each image by right-clicking and assigning them unique names for efficient organization. If you want to explore more variations, simply click Regenerate. With Pepper AI, creating visually compelling would you rather questions becomes straightforward, ensuring your content stands out and captivates your audience. Now, let's move on to creating the background using Canva. First, head over to the Canva website and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Once you're in, click on the Create a Design button. Next, select Custom Size and set the width to 1080 pixels and the height to 1920 pixels. This is the ideal size for vertical videos. After that, click on Create New Design and you'll be taken to your project workspace. Press the R key to create a rectangle. Drag it to cover the top half of the screen. Now duplicate this rectangle by pressing Ctrl+D or right-clicking and selecting Duplicate. Place the duplicate to cover the bottom half of the screen. For a contrasting look, give each rectangle a different color. I'm using red for the top half and blue for the bottom half, but feel free to choose any colors you like. Next, press the R key again to create a middle line and position it in the center of the screen. Press the C key to create a circle. Resize it and place it in the middle of the screen. Inside this circle, we'll add the text or choose a font that stands out. I recommend using League Spartan for a bold look. When you're satisfied with your design, click the Share button at the top right corner of the screen. Finally, click on the Download button and then download again to save your design. With our background ready, we're now all set to bring everything together in CapCut. Alright, now let's put everything together in CapCut to create our engaging Would You Rather shorts. First, import all your media files into CapCut. This includes the background, images, voiceovers, and background music. Start by placing the background on the timeline, setting its duration to 7 seconds. Make sure the ratio is set to 9:16, ideal for vertical videos. Next, add the background music to the timeline. Cut the background from 0002 0125 to make the music no longer than 1 minute. Set the volume to 10.4 dB to ensure it doesn't overpower the voiceovers. Now let's place the first image, option A, on the timeline and position it on the red part of the screen, Y 1155. Similarly, place the second image, option B, on the blue part, Y 1155. Set both images to 56% size and use the auto cutout feature to remove any unnecessary background. Add the 11 Labs voiceovers to the timeline. Start with the voiceover for option A, followed by OR, and then option B. Make sure to cut any silent parts and align the images with the voiceovers perfectly. Next, create the text for each option. For option A, the text might be, "Try a new ice cream flavor," and for option B, "Stick to your favorite." Resize the text, make it bold, and choose a font that stands out. Duplicate the text for option B and adjust the position so it's on the blue part of the screen. Align the text on the timeline with the images and voiceovers. For the animations, select Roll Right for the images with a duration of 0.9 seconds. For the text, choose Blur Right with a duration of 0.3 seconds. Add a ticking sound effect after the voiceover for option B and a ding sound after the ticking. Create new text for the percentages using the data from ChatGPT. Make the larger percentage green and the other white. Set both to 162% scale and apply the spring animation. Once you have one complete question, duplicate the entire short to create additional questions. Replace the footage and text with new options generated by ChatGPT. For example, your second option could be subscribe, 9.99%, or reject the offer, 0.01%. This encourages viewers to subscribe. Continue this process with the remaining questions until you have a 60-second video. If the background music is too long, cut it accordingly. Use the Rotate CW2 transition and apply it to all clips for smooth transitions between questions. Finally, export your video in 1080p at 60 FPS. With everything in place, you now have a captivating Would You Rather short ready to engage your audience and boost your social media presence. Now that we've created our engaging Would You Rather shorts, let's set up a new YouTube channel to share them with the world. First, create a new YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, sign in with your Google account, and click on Create a Channel. Follow the prompts to set up your new channel. To come up with a unique and catchy channel name, let's use ChatGPT. Prompt: give me a name idea for a Would You Rather YouTube channel. Choose a name that stands out and is easy to remember. Next, we'll create a channel profile picture using Canva. Go to the Canva website and either log in or create a new account. Click on the Create a Design button and select Custom Dimensions, setting the width and height to 512 by 512 pixels. With your Canva project ready, you can either choose a background image from Canva or generate one using Pepper AI. For this example, let's generate an image in Pepper AI. Go to the Pepper AI Discord server if you haven't already, and use the Generate To channel. I use this prompt: create a serene beach background with soft sandy shores, calm waves, and a clear blue sky. I will choose this prompt, but you can create your own prompt. Once you have your background image, place the text with your chosen YouTube channel name over it. Make sure the text is clear and visually appealing. Download the finished design from Canva. Upload your new profile picture to your YouTube channel. Go to your YouTube channel, click on the profile picture, and upload the image you just created. Finally, we'll create a YouTube banner using Canva. Follow the same steps as before, but this time, create a design with dimensions suitable for a YouTube banner, 2560 x 140 pixels. You can use a similar process to design the banner, incorporating your channel name and any other elements that represent your brand. Download the banner and upload it to your YouTube channel by going to the Customize Channel section and selecting Add Channel Art. With your channel set up and your first videos ready to go, you're all set to start engaging viewers with your exciting Would You Rather content. Now that your channel is up and running with engaging Would You Rather content, let's explore how you can start earning money from your videos without meeting the usual YouTube requirements. First, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative option. You don't need to meet subscriber or watch hour thresholds. Here are a few platforms to get started. ClickBank. Sign up and find products that align with your audience's interests. Earn commissions on sales made through your unique affiliate links. Digistore 24, another platform offering a wide range of digital products. Create an account, find products, and promote them to earn commissions. Warrior Plus, specializing in internet marketing and online business products. Join as an affiliate, promote relevant products, and earn commissions on sales. By integrating these affiliate links into your video descriptions and engaging your viewers with compelling content, you can generate passive income from your Would You Rather videos. With your channel set up and your first videos ready to go, you're all set to start engaging viewers with your exciting Would You Rather content. Now, go ahead and create compelling videos, build your audience, and enjoy the journey of growing your YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to enhance your content and maximize your impact. Thanks for watching.